Kung ang plano mo is maghanap ng house and lot na may malawak na lote at pwedeng i-renovate agad pag turnover sa'yo ng bahay, baka ito na ang para sa'yo. For only 25,000, marireserve mo na ang napakagandang future home mo dito sa Cavite. Hi! This is Neo Nobles and this is Hana Unit with modern Asian design house, and this sliding door will lead you to your 2 parking garage. Hana is a semi-complete finish with partitions and ceiling with a minimum lot size of 80 square meter. Napakaluwag at napakaaliwalas ng iyong unit. Pwedeng-pwede ipamodified upon turnover. Pwede maglagay ng gate and fence. Meron itong 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath with complete bathroom fixtures. Meron ding service area. Livable na si Hana Unit. Gamit na lang ang kulang. 35 to 45 minutes away lang sa Metro Manila and malapit din sa MOA.